Ever wondered what it would be like to know exactly when to make your move and cash in on the market? Well, what if I told you there's a way to tap into the market secrets and make profitable trades regularly and even turning it into a fully automated bot with alerts? Let's dive in. First, fire up TradingView and pick any chart you like. This strategy works great on all of them. Next, head over to the Indicators tab and click on it. We're about to introduce you to your first powerful tool, the Pivot Point Super Trend Indicator. But hold up, traders. Before we jump into using the Pivot Point Super Trend Indicator, let's make sure it's perfectly tuned to match your unique trading style. We'll fine-tune the settings to give you the best shot at snagging those profitable trades. It's always smart to have a second indicator to back up your trading decisions. Think of it like a trusty sidekick, giving you that extra vote of confidence before you pull the trigger. But before we get into that, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're digging the content and want more tips on trading profitably, don't forget to subscribe. We've got hundreds of videos to help you master the art of trading. All right, let's talk about adding that second indicator to boost your chances of success. To find it, head back to the Indicators tab on TradingView and search for the 10 in 1 different moving averages. This bad boy combines a bunch of different moving averages into one handy package, allowing you to customize it to fit your unique trading style and make the most of those market trends. Let's fine-tune it and get it ready to roll. Listen up, traders. Identifying the market trend direction is absolutely crucial before making any trade. But don't worry, this strategy has got your back. When you're trying to spot an uptrend, focus on how the moving averages are stacked. You'll want to see the 300 period SMA below the 200 period SMA with the 50 period RMA on top. To complete the picture, make sure the price is also above these lines. With this setup, you know the market trend is pointing upward. For spotting a downtrend, look for a specific order in the moving averages, similar to how we checked for the uptrend. Simply everything turns upside down. Finally, make sure the price is below all 3 moving averages. With this setup, you'll know the market trend is heading south. Before I show you how to turn it into a fully automated bot with alerts, first, let's see what are the trading rules. Let's break down the sell trade entry rules. First, we've got to spot a downtrend on the chart. Remember, the white line should be below the yellow line, and both of those lines should be below the blue line with the price sitting under all the moving averages. After that, look for a sell signal from the Pivot Point Super Trend Indicator. Once you've got all that lined up, you're clear to open a sell position. Now, let's talk risk management for sell trades. You can set your stop loss using the most recent market swing high, place it above the Pivot Point Super Trend line, or even the RMA 50 line. The key takeaway here is to always keep an eye on your risk. It's crucial for successful trading. Finally, let's cover how to set a profitable trade target for sell trades. You can trail your stop loss using the Pivot Point Super Trend line or set your trade target at 1.5 times greater than the distance between your entry and stop loss level. But if you want to push your profit factor to the limit and make a lot more than just 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio, make sure to watch the entire tutorial because I've got a surprise for you. And now let's reveal the buy trade rules. First things first, we need to identify an uptrend on the chart. Make sure the white line is above the yellow one, and both are sitting above the blue line with the price soaring above all the moving averages. Once that's clear, keep an eye out for a buy signal from our buddy, the Pivot Point Super Trend Indicator. When all these conditions fall into place, you're all set to open a buy position. Next, let's discuss risk management for buy trades. To play it safe, you can set your stop loss using the most recent market swing low, place it below the Pivot Point Super Trend line or even below the RMA line. Remember, managing risk is a fundamental part of smart trading. Finally, let's talk about setting a profitable trade target for buy trades. You can trail your stop loss using the Pivot Point Super Trend line, or you can aim for a target that's 1.5 times greater than the distance between your entry and stop loss level. Now let's see a couple more trades, which are also a part of 1,000 times back and forward testing it. And believe me, the results will blow your mind. Traders, check this out. We took our strategy for a test drive on the Ethereum chart, keeping it short and sweet with a 15-minute time frame and a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And you won't believe what happened next. We scored big time with a 81% win rate out of 100 trades. What else would you want from a strategy? So what are you waiting for? Give this strategy a shot and see the difference it can make in your own trading game. I don't want to make this video too long, and since I always keep my promises, here's the video where I show you how to turn any strategy into a trading bot with alerts, all for free. If you're aiming to maximize your trades and boost your profit factor, I highly recommend watching 3 key videos in our Trading University playlist. They cover feed levels with my personal settings, risk management, and the human factor, which are essential for getting the most out of your trades. Happy trading.